Hello and welcome to Fast Running Club. In this video, I'm going to talk about your center of gravity and how to use it to be able to improve your running time and the way that you strike your foot when you're running. So when I first started doing running and sprinting, I used to run flat-footed. And what happens when you run flat-footed is your center of gravity is lower, which means that the force that you're trying to generate, like you kind of have to push through the ground, but from a lower position. You're wasting a lot of energy that way. So, for example, if I lower my center of gravity to here, and then I'm running flat-footed, I'm using a lot of muscles here, and it's just like absorbing the force. You don't want that. You don't want to absorb the force. You want to strike the force with as much momentum that will push you forward, and you'll push the force backwards. You don't want to go in like through your muscles, and you want to try to like, push it so it's propelling you this way. So what you can do is, so instead of being flat-footed like this, imagine that you've got a piece of string and you lift yourself up. So already that's going to lift up your center of gravity. So you go onto your tiptoes. Imagine that you're going as high as you can. Now you're going to be lighter on the ground. So on your tiptoes, you're going to be running, and the force is going through your ankle dorsiflexion. So that's the first thing. So you've got it going through your ankle dorsiflexion. It's not going through your quadriceps. So you're not going to fatigue your quadriceps. There is going to be more predominance on your ankle dorsiflexion. Okay, so you've got that. And then when you're running in your driving phases before you get into your striding phases, like you're going to mainly be in a forward position. So you're going to end up pushing that center of gravity, and it's going to kind of come like not exactly through your body, but like through like towards the front of your body. It's going to be pushing you and propelling you forward. So you're going to be, you will end up driving. So if you're flat-footed and you're in that position, if you're going to try to like run forward, like you're just not going to get that force, and you're not able to propel yourself. So keep yourself tall and then push back. It's like the force is actually going through your ankle dorsiflexion. So you want to try to propel that as much as possible. Then when you get into the next phase of your race, you're still going to be tall, but instead of it going straight through your ankle dorsiflexion, you're going to end up like doing your foot strike. So your foot strike is going to come and it's going to propel you forward, because you're going to use this area, which is connected to here, and then here, and your ankle dorsiflexion to propel you forward. So you're up tall, you're running, in the next phase of your race, bow, 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 bow. And you're able to propel yourself forward. Again, up tall, going to run, pow, pow. So remember to keep yourself tall. Think about how tall you are so you can maintain your center of gravity, and really use it in a way that will benefit your foot striking ability so you can run forward faster. And remember, if you're running flat-footed and you try to do it, it's just not going to work. It's not the way your body's conditioned. So keep tall, keep in mind your center of gravity, drive forward, push yourself forward, give yourself more horizontal speed, and run faster. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.